There is one thing about the Akatsuki that nowadays get overlooked, and that is their rings. It's not only a way to show that you're a member of the Akatsuki, but it actually used to be much more important. Directly after the death of Sasori, they were focused on finding his ring. The same way Deidara was very focused on finding his ring after Kakashi destroyed his arm. It does seem like the rings would help them seal-tailed beasts together, because you can clearly see how the Gedo statue reacts to the rings. But what's really cool about the rings is the symbolism behind it and how it represents each character. First off, we have Itachi. He has the scarlet ring. Not only does it represent the Uchiha and his aura, it does represent also his blood sacrifice. Hidan's ring represents the number 3, which can be symbolized in different ways, such as heaven, hell, earth, which represents religion, the triangle that he draws for his sacrifices, and even his village, which has 3 straight lines, as you can see on his headband. The ring of Orochimaru represents the sky, and it symbolizes his desire for reaching for something that he can never reach, which is immortality, perfection, etc. The ring of Konan translates to the word white, which represents her aesthetic as an angel, her paper bombs which are white, etc. Kakuzu's is a bit harder, but the word on the ring is north. But when you compare it to Kisame, who has the word south, which is directly opposite to Kakuzu, it becomes easier to understand. At least for my interpretation. Kisame is a very loyal guy, he fights for the cause. Kakuzu is not, he only cares about money. And in Japanese, north can be associated with cold, such as Kakuzu, and warmth, maybe, such as Kisame, because he is so loyal. You have Deidara. His ring represents the azure dragon, which symbolizes spring, creation of life, which can symbolize the creative aspect of his character, but this one, to be honest, I'm not too sure about it. Pain. His ring represents the number 0, which could symbolize a lot of different things, such as him being an empty vessel, because this is a dead body, him being the founder of Akatsuki, and even him being the supposed hero of the world, but instead becoming the destroyer of the world. I saved this one for last because it's very interesting. Sasori's ring means the world jewel. It represents his view on art, which is unlike Deidara, who wants quick explosions. He wants something that can never die, such as a diamond. And that's where the interesting part comes, because Tobi later on takes Sasori's ring, and he has it. But it can also mean king, and we later find out that he is the leader in disguise.